Hawaii is so full of life as it is life-giving. What is also amazing is not only what thrives here, but how things thrive here. The plants here grow with much abundance, beauty, and size. Traveling around the island, you can see its ecosystem and how it ties into every bit of life here. It's the same life we sometimes take for granted here in our own homes when we buy houseplants. At this point of the video, I've shown you at least 10 common tropical houseplants sold on the mainland market today. And they all have put the plants we have at home to shame. Just a little food for thought when taking care of your tropical houseplants. I love Hawaii and I hope it stays beautiful every time I come back, 'cause I will definitely be back.